How to make paper doll gacha. Order sharing today is a movable paper man. Recently, I am very willing to live stream every day. Then people often ask me why I don't shoot paper people because of the traffic. It's not good, so I want to take some pictures of it. Since the flow of his stuff is not good, I don't really want to cut it. After editing, please send it out. I haven't liked it yet. In other words, it may be a bit like a small note game, but it is still necessary to publish works after all. If you want a traffic, if there is no traffic, it really makes people not want to do it. But I will never stop doing it. Paper people, I might think of some other shots. Method to continue to make paper figures and strive to make everyone like it. I made up a total of 2 free pictures for this teacher when he came back. One is a draft and the other is an eye. The color of the eyes is wrong, and recently, I am still in No. 2's house, waiting for me to continue to clear the movable paper when I return to No. 1's house. I didn't continue to draw this time. It is expected that I will be able to go back next Monday, believe it. The last time I think I can draw on the drawing board recently, my drawing skills have improved a bit, and indeed I still have to rely on more drawing. We are. I used to like to draw on paper. It felt a lot more comfortable than the artboard, but now I think the artboard will be a little more comfortable. Oh my gosh! I don't know why. Sure enough, people's hobbies are still. It's in transition. Last time, I didn't mean pinching pottery in porcelain. The store owner sent me pictures. The 2 things I pinched were really ugly, but I will send you one. That unpacking video was so ugly, and a little fox I pinched so hard actually burned it for me. I squeezed a cute version of the little fox on the cup and burned it for me, but the store compensated me with a vase. He is good. People will go to Jingdezhen next time. It's really sad. I spent more than 100 yuan to pinch 2 ceramic cups, but both of them look so ugly. Sure enough, this kind of thing still needs a professional to do it. Bye.